स्थानितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादान् सहगणललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितां च नीलाचलनिवासाय नित्याय परमात्मने बलभद्रसुभद्राभ्यां जगन्नाथाय ते नमः। तुमादिदेव करुणानिधानं तमालवर्णं सुहृदावतारम् अपार संसारसमुद्रसेतुं भजामहे भागवतस्वरूपम्। भवे भवे तथा भक्तिः पादयोः तव जायते तथा कुरुष्व देवेश नाथस्त्वं नो यतः प्रभो। नाम संकीर्तनं यस्य सर्वपापप्रणाशनं प्रणामो दुःखशमनं तं नमामि हरिं परम्। संसारसिन्धुमतिदुस्तरति तितिर्षां नैनां प्लवं भगवतः पुरुषोत्तमस्य लीलाकथारसनिषेवेणमन्तरेण पुंसोर्भवेत विविधदुःखदवादितस्य श्रीकृष्णचैतन्य प्रभुनित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधव जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी जय जय गोपीजन वल्लभ जय गिरिवरधारी जय गिरिवरधारी जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी जय जय यशोदानंदन जय ब्रज जनरंजन जय ब्रज जनरंजन जय यशोदानंदन जय यमुना तीरवनचारी जय कुंज बिहारी जय जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी जय हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Jai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, और प्रेमानंदी हरि हरिओ। विजयते श्री कृष्ण संकीर्तन की जय। So in the first of all, I offer my respectful obeisance to Sri Gurupada Padmanitya Leela Prishtam Vishnupasva Bhakti Maharaj and all Sikhya Gurus, Nityalapsa Bhakti Jivan Janardhan Goswami Maharaj, Nityananda Goswami Maharaj, Basra Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada, all Parampara Acharyas. By their causeless mercy, we will enter to this transcendental love efforts of Vrindavan from Srimad Bhagavatam, and I offer my respect and love to all participatory Vaishnavas and Vaishnavas devotees, gentlemen and ladies. In this Purushottam month, we are fortunate to join in this meeting by the mercy of Sri Guru Gauranga Radha Ras Bihari, Sri Jagannath. Srimad Bhagavatam, we discussed yesterday Uddhava spoke to all gopis, where Radharani also present, about Krishna's his own messages, letters, 9 verses in Sanskrit, Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto, 47 chapter, from 29 verses to 37 verses. We discussed, and Krishna convinced them that I am never separate from you. So you are ignorant, you are a fool, you are just crying, you don't eat, you don't take care of your body, you are suffering for that. How I can separate from you? So he gave many these signs about soul, mind, senses and body, the character of body, senses, mind, soul and inner functions, emotions, sentiments, the ecstasy, emotions. Then last he told the nature of mind is, if we someone stay, like women and men stay together in union, the mind is staying far, and if they separate, they stay far, then the mind is staying near. With mind, they always thinking, remembering, more close. So in this practical experience and from the scriptures, also scriptures in the Puranas and the literature, they says this. How is example is we who has love, for example, Bane Mayura, Gagane Sumega, forest sitting peacock, and cloud is in the ether, sky. When cloud comes to raining and peacock is dancing, enjoying the cloud, and he becomes emotions, it's not near, he is sky, he is forest, but because they have love. And Lakhyantare Bhanu Jaleshu Padma, in hundred thousands, millions of miles, sun is there in sky. Lotus is in the water. So how much distance they say? When sun appeared, then lotus also appeared. When sun come, she is also smiling and enjoying. Please smell honey and inside water with air, she is playing, dancing. So how much far? sun and lotus. Duilakshe, Indu Duilakshe. Kumudini toy, in a night time, when the moon appears, it's more far, but the lily flower also illuminating. Open. Daytime close. When the moon open, come night time, also this blooming, smiling, enjoying this. So not the stay near there. Jajasya piti nahitasya duram. Who has priti, love, the distance is not important. Even anywhere he stay, just maybe some message, ¿cómo estás? Bien, okay, fine. How are you? I love. So they started their happiness coming from inside. Love. If they have love. If they have no love, if stay also inside one room, one house, maybe they are in one seat, still they have one sea east side, another sea west side. If they have no love, if they have some, what is, no affection, indifference, then they, no priti, no place. If they see they stay near, they also unhappy. So this is not meaning that stay near or far. Main central point is, cause is love. So this mental state of the mind, if it stay more far, mind comes to more close and increase love. Oh, when I will see, when I will talk, when you will come, my mind is always anxious to this, so increasing. And inside, see the beauty, the form, the qualities, his movement, his all activities appear from mind, from memory, and enjoying there. Always there, they never outside. Because the mind is also universal. Just before he discussed this verse, beginning, just like air, fire, water, earth, and the sky, the sound. This is the system of the creation from universal and individual simultaneously existing, but also differences there. So our relation is with the soul, not only physical. Who has only relation for their own sensual pleasure, no, not with mental or spiritual, with the soul, their love is actually not love. That is lust. They are for their littles, their enjoyment, they again separate and they hate each other. But this is, our relation is not like that. Our relation is pure. Because before they have discussion in Rasa Leela time and other time, they have more discussion about that. So now Krishna wrote this with full scientific and experienced inside and outside relation. So he convinced them. Also he told in Rasa Leela time, some gopis, they could not able to come out from their house. Their house room was closed by their husband forcibly. They want to come, but they forcibly they closed them. They could not come. But by the separation, they want they leave their body and to want to come mentally and by soul. Dhyana prapta chuta shlesang nibhutya khina mangala. They by soul and mind they embraced to me and they want to leave body. But they did not leave their body. Their body was there, they come here, and otherwise I was also with them because they could not come, so I was with them, and they are very happy. And after that also in Rasa Leela, they also with their body, they as it is, they maintain their life. And the next day, next night, they also come and join with our dance. So you have experienced this. This happened before. So where I am not separate. न तथा में भवती नांग वियोग में नहीं सर्वात्मना क्वचित्. First verse, first word. Your relation with me, because I am Sarvatmana, I am the super soul. So no one can separate from me. You are not separate from me. So why you are crying? Why you become angry? And you are saying me, this is cooked and he is cheater. He is pretender. He is cruel. He is ungrateful. Why you say this? It's illogical. You don't understand. That gopis, by angry, Radharani also, actually they told to Uddhava also, because this when the bumblebee came, to indirectly, sarcastically, they accused to Uddhava, oh, you are a drunkard. You take this wine, madhupa, like this bumblebee drank the honey, become intoxicated, same like that. You are also like that. So they accused to Uddhava also. Now they understood Uddhava is gentle. Because Uddhava praised them, oh, you are Sarva Purnatma, Mahaname Anugraha Kruta, Virahina Mahabhaga, Sarvatma Bhava Adhikruto. With your mind, with your sense, with your prana breathing and mind intelligence, your soul, how you have so closed tie-up with his transcendental love and with his separation mood. This is greatest blessing merciful to me, because I think Uddhava did not know before that this kind of raganuga bhakti, a spontaneous attachment to Krishna. He did not know. Always they practice bhakti with Shastra, with principles. In this world, because of our senses, mind, intelligence, all everything what we do in the material energy, we change them. We bring them to principle. because it is not spontaneously coming, because we are dragged with our senses to the material side, and our ego, our minds, always influenced by this illusory energy and dragged to keep in this material. So we need to change them to our mind, our bhakti, our faith, our shraddha, to Krishna with a principle. But you are not like that. You are not following the principle because you have nothing there except Krishna. Everything is Krishna's. So you no need to bring your emotions, your love with a principle. This is the differences of Vaidhi Bhakti and Raganuga Bhakti. Raganuga Bhakti is spontaneous. Because how it comes spontaneous? Because we are nature, by the nature, we are under the Maya. We think I and my. And everything is you and your, he and her and his. This is our intelligence and consciousness working this way. Now we have to practice, this is not my, this is your. But always we are thinking this is my house, my family, my body, my. I am this, I am that. So we need some principles to not make any offense or not make any like sahajyas, like artificial, duplicitous, not like that. We need to maintain proper way, practice in principles, then by practice it comes spontaneous, by nature come. Gradually we lose our karma. Karma means I am the doer. I am doing this. This is mine. This, the ego, keep us under this illusory energy. First, this avidya, asmita, gave this ego, upadhi. So, we are, not we are means whole this universe, up to Brahma and Shiva and others, they are under this system of the Maya. But you are not like that. Your everything is Krishna. Your body, mind, senses, family, also you think completely Krishna's. So you're nothing else there, because this discussion in Rasa Leela scrutinizingly discussed there with the gopis and Krishnas. Who has read Bhagavatam, beginning of Rasa Leela 29th chapter, this discussion is there. Topmost philosophy and the metaphysics about the soul, mind, family, body, senses, all these are discussed there. And Krishna put this question with lovely, but gopis, they answered perfectly. So this was the really to know who they are. For example, how when Krishna play flute, many they went for Rasa Leela, many they could not able to go out, but immediately they sit and left their body. How it is possible? For this example, one should take this. They are not ordinary material condition. And after finish, again they came. Same thing happened to also when Krishna was in a Dvijapatnis, the wife of Brahmins. There is only one happen. Here in Gopis there are many. They are before sadhakas. Sadhakas siddha. So they have some karma there. So physically they could not able to go. That is written commentary there. So Krishna gave them nice example with their practical experience, and Uddhava spoke this. So Gopis have no doubt. Yesterday, night 10:30 here, Golokananda Prabhu asked this question. Huh? So how Krishna is not separate from him? He is separate. No. This is, he has logically, he convinced that he is super soul. And they are also, they loved. Yogeshwareshwara Krishna jata etad vimuchyate. Yogeshwareshwara he is. So he is not, actually if they have love, no distance. So he has given this, we in another proverbs like moon and lily flower and lotus and the sun and peacock and cloud, no distance. They are enjoying. If they have love, maybe many distance. If they remember, immediately they feel good. They, because their love come out from inside. If no love, then if they stay in near, also they hate each other. They never feel happy. So this is the differences of mental condition and physical body condition. So you already you are with me in the mind. You always see, you are talking, you are maybe angry, you are also rebuke me, but you are with me, therefore you are angry to me. Otherwise, why are you angry? Maybe with anger, many times you are angry to with me. Then Gopis will, yes, many times they have also, love means there is more spices, more ingredients. Without anger, then did not come the mood of this, this love. This is the ingredients of love affairs. So after hear this, there is no doubt. So I think Golokananda Prabhu also convinced by this. So there is no doubt, but Krishna also told, now you want to maybe play with me, do you want to see my smiling face, and you want to hear from me, and you want to play with me, but I will come. You know, many now demons, they killed, and others also there. This is a responsibility there. So I am, my duty to establish the dharma, and they are also devotees are there. So we have to also give relief to them by these demons. How many times in Braja from childhood, you know, demons attacked, they wanted to kill, to me also killed, to everyone. Even Indra, he also wanted to destroy. I protected. Same, I have to protect other devotees also. They are suffering by all the demons. So this is your also responsibility. This is responsibility for everyone. This is therefore I have some work, duty to do this. So why you are so anxious? Why you are crying? You should not cry. This is also your duty to merciful and compassion to others. Also their inner meaning is that I told I will come, sure I will come. You do not lose your patience. You keep your patience. And I will please to others like Vasudeva and Devaki and others. They put in jail and now they dead the demons, but other all demons coming, Jarasandha is coming and many fighting will go on. Now another point is why Krishna has not come? Because if Krishna is there in a Mathura, they have fort. So inside they have protection. If they come, here also soldiers there, they cannot enter their fort easily. And they are Kshatriyas, they can fight with them also. But if I will go to now Vrindavan physically, they will attack also there. So I don't want, you are most loved to me, this is my home. I grow up there. This is, I don't want to destroy this by these demons. So this is also one reason to I have to stay here so I can fight with them, but my love is with you. Always I with you. You don't think I this. So after hearing from this, they fully convinced. And they changed their angry mood. They see lovely to Uddhav. Uddhav is so gentle, looks like same. So you are really Krishna's devotee. Practice they inside they and among themselves they talk. Yes, this is true. What Krishna told, this is true and real. We should not madness like that. But what shall we do? You know, Mathura, they welcomed to Uddhava. Uddhava, you are gentle. And also you are impartial. If he is Krishna send you, but you are experiencing the how we love to Krishna and how Krishna love to us. And you are his most dear. So you know the practical what happened here. We know that you are also, Uddhava told, I am Rahasya Karaha, Bharturaskar. I am all the secret, the affairs I do because I am fully surrendered to Krishna and he is my master. I am servant, I am devotee. Then they told, you know, you are always with Krishna. Sometimes they change the mood. Their mood before to Krishna, to anger. First came to Uddhava, because Uddhava told he has no father, he has no mother, he has no birth, he has no activities, he has no lover, he has no enemy. He spoke all this philosophical, Mayavadi philosophies, all this. We say this, Mayavadis, Brahmavadis, Jnani, Yogis, they have no activities, no attraction for Leela. So Uddhava brought this Brahma Jnana. So they think this is bitter. We don't want to, maybe we die 100 times to take a bath. We don't want to take all these things. We want lovely Krishna, smiling Krishna, his beauty, his playing flute, his charming, his talking, walking. We want this. Maybe 1,000 times we take a bath, no problem. But we don't want, he has nothing. We don't want such someone who has nothing. What will we do if somebody has nothing? No farm, no qualities, no beauty, no activities. What is there? Nothing is there. This is the philosophers. They have no any rasas there. Only dry like desert. No plant, no creeper, no flower, no fruit, no water. What will they do with they only suffer there? So we don't want to make our heart like desert. So in this way, before discussion was there, so first their anger to Uddhava and to Krishna. Now they full convinced by these letters, message from Krishna and Uddhava, they understood, but their love affairs changed to Mathura woman. Then they saw, oh, Uddhava, you are gentle. Now, by the good fortune, this Kansa, cruel demon, who was very cruel, he suffered to everyone there, to devotees, saintly persons. He killed them, he put them in jail, to put his father, to his mother, to his sister, to everyone they suffer and they go away from everywhere, they hiding, they stay there. By the good fortune, now they dead. And all Yadu dynasty, all they together now. And Krishna now with all his, they respect him, they love him, they worship him, and Krishna, all Mathura inhabitants, they are satisfied and they are very happy and they love to Krishna. By the nature, Krishna is charming and everyone like him. So who can stop after see his this glance of eyes and smiling face? So in Mathura, sometimes you see Mathura women, they are city, they are learned, they are more decorated, they have more ornaments, more, they have cosmetic, they have more advanced with materially, they are more attractive, and they wanted to also attract to Krishna. And Krishna, anytime when they have discussion with love affairs, sometime Krishna discuss about us, because maybe sometime he speak, oh, Mathura's ladies, girls, you are so beautiful. Or he can say, oh, gopis are beautiful. They are very sweet, very soft. They are nicely singing. They are nicely dancing. They are nicely servings to me or love to me. Anytime you hear this, they discuss sometimes, because the love changed to envious, again to the Mathuras, women. So they asked to Uddhav, do you hear sometimes? Because we are village, we are living in forest, we are not so like a city. So they maybe Krishna reject us because we are not going to university to study or a college to study, or we don't take some smoking or doing this, that. Maybe they are city people, they do this. No, maybe, but they never worship to Krishna with their smile and glance and talk. This crooked, hmm, crooked talking, Krishna's expert. And Mathura, the city people, they, women, they are also speaking to attract to Krishna. And in nature, in this world, if some woman there, they forget others. Maybe they forget to us, but he Krishna forget to us and start love with them. But how he can forget Yamuna? How he can forget his flowers, jasmine flower, and this uh, lily flower, malati flower, madhavi flower, and the lotus, and the bright moon in the near Yamuna, open natural field, and he can forget how our anklets and our bundles with this music, and he was playing flute, how we dance and sing. He cannot get in the city they are saying inside there, they have never read this sweet pastimes. How he can forget this? He cannot forget this. So they brought to discuss about all this Uddipana, means this silly stimulus, this stimulus of Vrindavan, how he can forget this, where this Rasalila arena, Kadamba trees, and with all natural attraction of these deers, cuckoo, birds, parrot, and animals, cows, and Vrindavan's inhabitants, how they have loved with Mother Yashoda and Nanda Maharaj and other elderly women, and we are, and cowhead boys, Sudama, Subala, Madhumangala, and others. How he can forget this? No one can forget this, and he never get in Mathura. Mathura he cannot get. Their life is different. They are unnatural, artificial life. So they asked to Uddhava, anytime he can remember Vrindavan, maybe he can glorify with them sometimes. Oh, Vrindavan is beautiful, their gopis are beautiful, they are nice cooking, they're sweet, this dancing, doing all this anytime they say. He cannot get there. So these love affairs, they changed it to Mathura's inhabitants there. Then Sham gopis, they अपेशत इह दासार हो तप्ताः सकृतया शुचा संजीवयननो नो गात्री जथेन्द्र वनमंबुदेहि. He spoke philosophically, he convinced his inside them, but this is not sufficient for us. We are, you see, we are just dying. You see our body, how our condition, whole Vrindavan, animals, birds, creepers, trees, and all ponds become dry. Yamuna also dry, Yamuna is not coming. No such water, he also became dry. Cows also they dry. They don't, before they are just showering with the milk. Now they are, by their tears, they are sitting and not moving, sleeping, thinking to him. Birds are sitting on the tree, they don't singing now. Deers, all animals, they are just like become like paint. They have no life. What about the Vrindavan soul you saw, you met with father and mother, how their condition, and you see our condition. Anytime Krishna come, and by his glance, talk, by his love, he again he will shower his prem to again the raining of his love. Again the Vrindavan, everything will just come out like summer time. All the trees by others becomes dry. When the rain come, everything become again life, and they started to grow up. Again he will come, and again he will nourish us with his raining. Then they discuss about this, asked this. Gopis have difference also there, group there. Now they are together. Before they were fighting, Chandravali's group, Radharani's group, and others. Before when Krishna was there, they were fighting for each other. Even Sakhas also group, because Siddham and Stoka Krishna and Madhumangala and Subala, some are Krishna's side and some are also opposition side. So they also, before fighting for Krishna, each other. If Krishna was going to far, a little far, they run, they quarrel for them, how they can touch Krishna first. So they are beating each other, they doing all this. Now they have no more such fighting. Gopis also fight. They are attracted to Krishna, oh, he will come to us today. Our Kunja. Then they told, no, we will take to our Kunja. So they also fight. Now no more fight. And Krishna was every house going to steal butter. So this Leela will come with Uddhava, they will talk. Now no more this, that changed this competition for Krishna Bhakti. This Bhava now changed, they all are together. And among them, they also discussed. Rupa Goswami has written once in separation mood, Chandravali was crying. So Radharani also crying and shine in Govardhan, alone sitting and crying. It low Chandravali, you are also dear to Krishna. You did not keep Krishna by your love. I am not so love to him, but you are there. So they each other embrace and cry. They have no more such this sentiment, ecstatic love. So Krishna was when present, everything whole Vrindavan's bhava is changed. So tomorrow we will go to more discussion to with Uddhava, all gopis, cowhead boys with the cows, and father, mother also, they again start their new life by Krishna's this message. Krishna Katha is the life of everyone. When Krishna's message came, again they mentally and with the soul, they became satisfied. And when Uddhava came, with Uddhava, association with devotees, Krishna Bhakti always grow up. मच्चिता मदगत प्राणः बोधयन्तः परस्परं कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यं तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च. They satisfied and they more and more they increase and advance in bhakti with a prem by my katha. So really, how Krishna's katha, how nourish to everyone, give them life and energy, and to bring out their real spiritual, the love that will come. So we will go tomorrow, we will discuss and how much their mercy we will enter there to taste the Katha Rasa. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari. Mancha Kalpatarudhacha Kripa Sindhuvaivacha Patitanang Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo. Shri Radhe Govind भज मन श्री राधे. श्री राधे गो श्री राधे जय राधे. श्री राधे जय राधे. राधे गोविंद भज मन श्री राधे. श्री राधे गोविंद भज मन श्री राधे. श्री राधे श्याम राधे. श्री राधे प्यारी राधे. श्री राधे. श्री राधे गोविंद भज मन श्री राधे. राधे 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 जय जय श्री राधे. राधे 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 जय जय श्री राधे. राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे. राधे 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 गोविंद गोविंद राधे. राधे 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 जय जय श्री राधे. राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे. राधे 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 जय जय श्री राधे. राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे. राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे. राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे. हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे. हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे. हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. हरे कृष्णा Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, और प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल। जय जय श्री राधे। विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र महाराज की जय। वृंद कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। श्री पुरुषोत्तम भगवान की जय। पुरुषोत्तम व्रत की जय। ऑल डिवोटीज की जय। गौर प्रेमानंदी हरि राधे।
जय गुरुदेव की जय।
हरि बोल।
गुरुदेव।
हरि बोल, हरि बोल।
जय दंडवत प्रणाम महाराज।
Muchas gracias.
जय मुझे gracias महाराज।